Hi there, Miles here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slider for your website. So let's get started. In your admin dashboard, you will find a button that says Free Image Editor and Slide Maker. If you don't see that in your dashboard and you would like one, go ahead and scroll down here and request one right here with this form. And I'll be sure to get it on your dashboard for you. Okay, so let's get started. Now this website, for the best slides, it's 1500 by 500 pixels. So let me show you how to make one. First, let's click on the button. This will open up a new tab to a free website where we can create slides. Right over here you'll see it says Create New. Go ahead and click there. They have a whole bunch that are pre-sized, but we're going to go over here and create a custom size. For the width, we want 1500, and for the height, we want 500. And we will go ahead and just title this Slide 1. Let's make this background a white for right now. We can change that later. And then we'll scroll down and hit Create. And here is our template. 1500 across by 500 high. Now over on the left side is all the different menus. If you highlight over them, it will show you everything you can do to your slide. What I'll be doing to this slide is adding an image and then some text. So let's come over here to where it says Add Image and click there. Now you can browse your computer for the image, or you can enter a URL and it will place it in there if you have an image online that you'd like to use, or you can check the image stock on this website. We're going to browse our computer. And let's say I want to make a slide using this image. Just double click it or open it and it will drop right on the canvas. Now I can left click on it and drag it around. I can also resize it right here, like so, and I can put this image wherever I'd like. I'm going to put this image right here. Now there are a bunch of other things like you can edit and liquefy and touch up over here if you'd want to get into all that later, but I'm not going to mess with any of these today. I'm just going to show you how to make a slide nice and quick. Now one thing I wanted to show you is that if you make this, let's say, too big and you want to go back to your previous size, you can click undo right here and it'll go right back to your previous size. You have redos and undo switches right over here. So let's go ahead and add some text. So over here on the menu, you'll see it says Add Text. Go ahead and click there. Now you can choose something that they already have in their system, or you can add new text, which is what I'm going to do right here. Now let me add some text right in here. Now let's go ahead and put in the best slider ever. Now if you look over here, you'll see that this text is in white color. So if I click off of here, you won't see it because it's white. So let me double click to get back on here and change this color to a black. And then when I click off, you can see it just fine. See there? You can move this anywhere you'd like, but let's go ahead and make this a different font or even a bigger font. The size is right here. You can click and drag it and it makes it bigger, just like so. Now if you'd like, you could also add a shape. And to do that, you can come over here to Arrange and Style and click on Shape. And then you have a rectangle that pops up. You can make it have rounder corners, like so. You can see how the corners are rounded there. And you can also drag this to make it larger. You can change the fill color, let's say to, let's eyedrop the green right here. There you go. See how that works? Let's click off of here and let's put an outline around it. I'll go ahead and select a black outline, and we will make the outline size a little bit thicker, just like so. Let's go ahead and make this green a bit brighter. There we go. Now if I want to, I can grab another text and add new. Then you'll see it's white again. The white is by default from this website. So then we can spelled that wrong. Enter any information you want here. And you can fill in the box. And that concludes the basic tutorial to show you how to make a slide. All you have to do now is come down here and click Save. Make sure you still want this name, Slide 1. You can change it here if you'd like. You can save it as a JPEG, a PNG. Now JPEGs are much smaller file sizes and they load quicker on websites. PNGs are the best quality and they take much longer to load on websites. This one I'm going to make a JPEG. high quality. Make sure our sizes are the same. Now, if you change the sizes here, it may mess up what you just created. So you want to make sure you set the right sizes before you get started like we did. Then click Download. And now what we're going to do is save file. Then click OK. And then it tells us that it was saved in our default download folder on your device. So let's go to my Downloads folder, and we see it right here. Let me double click it, and there it is. Now I can add this slide to the website. So let's head on back over to the website so I can show you. Okay, the slider is on the home page of this website, so let's go ahead and edit the home page. And here it is. So what I need to do here is just click on the slider, and you'll see the edit box show up over here. All I have to do is click Add Photos or Edit Gallery. Let me go ahead and add photos. I can select Files right here, go over to that Downloads folder, grab that slide 1 that I just put there today, and you can see it shows up right here. Add to Gallery, and it's right over here. Now if I want to caption it, best slide ever, I caption it right there. Then I update the gallery right here and click Save. You'll see the slide come up right here. I believe it's going to be the 6th image, and there it is. And it fits perfectly right in here, 1500 by 500 pixels. Now that was just a tutorial, so I'm not going to save this. Usually what I would do is click Done and Publish. But because we don't want this image right here on the main site, I'm going to go ahead and click Discard. Okay. Alright, and none of those changes that I just made were saved. And that's how you would create and install a new slide. Okay, have fun, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye now.